So I'm Amanda Garcia, the director of the Center for Entrepreneurial Leadership here at Elms College. Over the course of this 72-hour innovation challenge, the students are learning rapidly. So they're going to prototype ideas and solutions around bullying, and they're going to learn the skill sets to handle feedback, to take criticism, to work with teammates, and also to be focused on how their actions can make an impact.
The bullying concept is something, very, very fragile and complex, and so you can't attack it only from one front, but more so from every angle.
So our intervention is actually through a mobile app that will help administration and teachers kind of let the students report bullying, but through an anonymous and judge-free platform. After the weekend, I learned that with innovative thinking, you can really tackle a lot of things. It's definitely really cool to kind of think of something that you think nobody's ever thought of before and kind of try to revolutionize that idea. So I think that in my personal life, I can take a lot more risks, and having these tools that we've learned, I think I can get a lot further.
The topic that you start with might not be the topic that you end with, so we had an idea in mind, but once we looked into it more and researched more and talked to focus groups, we learned something totally different than we thought.
So when I heard about this, I felt like it would be a great chance, considering I want to be a teacher, to see how it is in other schools and to talk to kids and talk to other people to see what can be done, even if it's just something I take away from my future classroom, what could be done to help students in the future.
I helped the group by taking their ideas and making a physical representation of it so that they could explain to the judges and everybody so that they can output their idea to the world.
It was really good to see different people from different majors. So we had a couple business majors in our group, and to look at their side of how they want to solve the problem is different from the psychology point of view. So it's always nice to have different point of views in a group setting like this.
It's really interesting because I'm a business major, pitching's basically drilled into my head, but then we have education majors, and bullying is huge in the schools. So within those schools, with the education major, they gave their own opinion on it, and it really helped us create something that I think is amazing.
I see this program affecting my long-term goals because I feel that I have a lot more empathy and care for people. It's really just helping me work with a group of people and understanding their different values, their different backgrounds, and kind of bringing everyone in together and taking all of our own personal experiences and choices and beliefs and lumping it into one big project that can benefit so many people. Kind of having the freedom of creativity to excel.